Tra-la-la, they want to throw their cares away. They all go la-dee-ah-dee-ay. Then they hear a rumble on the floor, the floor. It's a big surprise they're waiting for. And all the couples form a ring. For miles around you'll hear them sing.
Look at that, he's rolling inverted.
Oh, outstanding. Now that is a no-roll. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Her leg forced forward, her arm straight down to the back.
Forward on the stick to keep the aircraft stable. Now rolling it back around again.
Now that is remarkable. That's the best inverted wing walk I've seen for a very long time.
Beautiful pass. Right here at Biggin Hill. That was so great. Absolutely beautiful pass.
What's quite interesting, I think, is that we now, once the Harrier has made his...
Sounds so bad.
Seriously, this aircraft with the ability to vector the thrust was absolutely essential.
And they were very, very tricky. There were a lot of chaps who bought the farm, as we say, and learning to, as they worked out the bugs in these aircraft. Both the United States Marine Corps, which adopted the aircraft after the British had established it, and the British themselves, of course. A lot of brave men aren't with us anymore.
Yes, 22,000 pounds of thrust there. Rolls-Royce Pegasus. And what agility.
Look at that goal. Perhaps even more.
Well, I would certainly think 7 or 8. remarkable, extraordinary. What else can I say, ladies and gentlemen? The TR-7.
Never have the opportunity to see it. It's the most famous of all fighters.